In this video, I'll show you how to fix the YouTube video not downloading problem on your Android phone. First, make sure your phone is connected to a stable internet connection. You can check this by opening the notification panel and confirming that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Once you've verified your connection, open the YouTube app and refresh the home page. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Background and Downloads, or Downloads, depending on your app version. Now turn off Download over Wi-Fi only if it's enabled. After that, go back to the Download section and try downloading the video again. Your video should now start downloading without any issues. That's it. This is how you can fix the YouTube video not downloading problem on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.